Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys been asking where have you been, Anna? But your girl is back and she's back and better than ever. So today I'm coming with you with another freaking video. And I know you read the title already and you know what is about to go down. So this is like the top for the swimwear that I made. Couldn't bother to change. So I'm just gonna say, just me not gonna keep no longer. But just like I said, just let's go into the video.
Okay guys, for this video we're just gonna need some simple tool. We're gonna need a seam ripper, scissors, a shirt that you're gonna use to trace, and also a pin cushion and a tape measure, and also a pantyhose and some elastic. Okay guys, so we're going to use the shirt as our guide to cut out the fabric. I cut it exact because the shirt is bigger than me, but I advise you guys to use a shirt that fit you exact. As you can see, I am cutting out the sleeve shape, and also make sure you cut the top of your shirt to meet the opening or the shape of the. After that guys, I'm just going to go right ahead and cut out the shape of my sleeves. It is okay if you don't cut it right, because I'm just using the shirt sleeve as a guideline since I don't really know how to make sleeves. But as I said, it's okay later down. Don't mind how I cut it now. Later down I actually had to go in again and cut it to get the satisfying shape I wanted. After that I started on the pantyhose. I just cut it out and gave the panty some allowance. Then afterwards I used the scraps to cut it out again to get two, but actually you need four of those. So make sure you cut out four of those to make it double layer. Afterwards I cut the edge of the panty, but please guys, try to get a rectangular shape. I didn't get to video that part, but we're heading for a rectangular shape, so don't cut it as square as you saw me cut it in this video. Get a rectangular shape at the end. So the place where you see me cutting, please try to make it sharp as possible. Okay guys, so I'm just cutting out the waistband for my bikini bottom, also some strips that is going to be the finishes for my top. Okay, guys, so it is time for me to go in on the machine and start stitching. So I'm gonna start with the top of the blouse, then I'm gonna stitch the sleeves together. Then afterwards, I'm just gonna put the finishes on the blouse, on the bottom, on the sleeves, and also the collar. Then I'm gonna start with the pantyhose. I'm just gonna stitch them together. There are 4 pieces of the pantyhose, and I'm going to put them together and stitch them. So okay guys, I placed the pantyhose together and pin them down. So I only just tuck and fold the waistband and just set everything in place for it to be stitched. Okay guys, so this is the finishing piece. I hope you like it and stay tuned for more.
So that's for so that is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and I know you guys enjoyed that video. I know it's been a while since I made something for you. I'll be doing that more often to now. Also, make sure you subscribe. Follow me on TikTok at AnnaShoraya19, Instagram Miss_Shoraya, and also on Twitter Anna_Shoraya. Please subscribe. Drop a like. Also comment. Tell me if this video never shot or whatever. Share with your friends. Comment know someone want me bad for yourself. Please, if you do follow my video and made your own swimwear, please tag me on your socials so I can know what y'all did. Anyways, that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.